So I think we really have to rethink yung ating Department of Education because the MAPE is also now being revised to be a matatag curriculum wherein music is just relegated to social studies. And you start music at grade 4, and that's too late already. You know, to be able to learn to, kahit mga rhythmic exercises, melodic exercises, sayaw, that's actually early on training already in music. And there are studies that when you study music, yung inyong critical thinking becomes, it develops. Baka nga yung ating focus on just math and science, pero as of now, bumababa pa rin ang ating no?
The highest score of mathematics is actually music.
Yes. Makikita nyo, you memorize a piece. No? You can memorize a whole concerto. You know, children can memorize a whole concerto, perform. Ang memory nila, grabe ang nagiging training in terms of music. So maybe it is our, to really rethink, why are we removing music in our education system? We want everyone to have access to music. Hindi naman lahat merong acumen or talent in music, but for those who have, then we have to support that. No? So with that, it's so difficult at one point if you don't understand. So I do appreciate yung kanyang sinabi na we relegate na lang to AI. You just put in the text and then a whole song would pop up. But there is no human element in it. You get it? Napaka-robotic, and come to think of it, yung kinreate mo, halos pareho na lang. So where is the creativity in that? So at an early age, dapat ang music creativity in all the arts should be harnessed. No? So napaka-importante po nun. So I think this is what we would want. No? Musika Pilipinas, and of course NCCA is here to really look into the importance of arts in the development of the next generation. Lalo na yung kayo ng mga estudyante. No, kasi tinatandaan na po eh. But as what you know, you remove arts, you remove music, you remove our own identity. Mawawala na po tayo. No? So we should actually train. We should be able to look into ano ba tayo, sino ba tayo,